guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good. For those of you who are new to my channel, hi, I'm Shreya and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So I'm doing this Q&A session finally after so long. I so wanted to do this. I had even posted a story on my Instagram months ago asking you guys to ask me some questions, and finally I'm gonna answer to those random questions now. I'm really excited for this video and I really hope your questions would also be as exciting as I am right now. But before we hop into the video, let me quickly show you two myths that I've recently got from this website called Trell Shop. So it's a video and shopping platform, and since festive season is on the go and Diwali is around the corner, there's this grand sale going on Trell Shop wherein you can get your favorite brands for up to 70%. Can you imagine? There are brands like Maybelline, L'Oreal, Lakme, Plum and whatnot for up to 70%. So if you would like to buy anything, you can definitely check out this website. I've got this and Pretty Vogue fragrance mist crafted by Ajmal. It's for 200 ml and I really like the mist. They are long lasting indeed. I've got this one as well. This one is also and Chic Connect fragrance mist 200 ml crafted by Ajmal, and I am in love with this one especially because it's so soothing, it's so good. I am really liking this one, and this one is also nice, but it's a pretty strong fragrance, but I really like the soothing one, so I'm definitely in love with this. It's so good. And I happen to have a coupon code as well, which will give you extra 25% off on all your orders. So if you would like to check out this website, I have mentioned the link in my description box and I have mentioned the coupon code on the screen. Now let's get the video started. Snacks time. Now I'm gonna have my snacks while answering to these questions. So now let's just get started. So the first question is, what's the most embarrassing thing you have ever worn? Okay, so I remember this thing when I was in second or maybe third standard. I had worn this gown. It was a maxi of green color and मैं पालक बनी थी. So there was this fancy dress competition wherein I was a kid back then. I was in third standard and मम्मा दीदी ने I don't know क्या प्लान किया, या फिर स्कूल में क्लास टीचर ने क्या प्लान किया था कि मेरे को पालक बनाया, and I had to stand on the stage and I had to talk for 2 minutes about it and I was just so blank. So yeah, that was really embarrassing. मैंने एक ग्रीन कलर का गाउन पहना था एंड साथ में what do we call it, leaves लगा रखी थी मेरे पूरे आसपास. So that was really embarrassing. Okay, now moving on to next question. Would you rather eat a dog or a cat? Well, I would not eat any. I cannot. I'd rather die, but I will not eat cat or dog at all. The next question is, what would be your perfect day be like? My perfect day would be like me getting up late and I really have to think about it. My perfect day would include lots and lots of tasty food, spicy food, and right after I get up, I take my time for shower and everything, and then I'll just pamper myself with some good fragrance moisturizers and lotions, and then I just get up and get ready and would go nowhere. I'll just sit at home, maybe binge watch some Korean series and would have ramen at the same time, or would end up having some spring rolls, really tasty, really great. And yeah, I mean, I would rather binge watch Korean series whole day and talk to my favorite people, and yeah, just that. I guess that would be enough for me as a perfect day. So next question that I have is, what is the worst thing you have experienced as a crew member? Remember the worst. Okay, well, honestly, I don't really have any worst experience, and one thing happened which is not really worst, but it's more of an incident. So I was R1 in that flight. My work position was R1, and I was sitting with SCC, senior cabin crew. Our flight was about to take off and suddenly we felt something and it was really scary. and after some time we got to know that was rejected takeoff. It's more of an emergency, wherein there are times when emergency evacuation could be there. So I experienced rejected takeoff. It's a situation wherein you are about to take off, but something happened because of which the airplane has to stop, and that can cause a lot of problems. And most of the times it is a life-threatening situation. I mean, it can be a life-threatening situation. So that was a time that was kind of worst for me, because I had no idea what's gonna happen, whether it's something very serious or not, whether something's really bad gonna happen or not. So it was all about that. Moving on to the next question. What's your diet like? I don't really have a diet, you guys. I mean, look at this. I most of the time have junk food like this. My go-to things are like pizza, spring rolls, momos, and burger. I mean, that's my diet, I would say. I don't really follow any diet. I just eat whatever I feel like, and most of the times it includes junk food and spicy things. So I do not have a diet. I do not follow any. Next question is, why don't you try for some advertisement shoots? Well, I'm really looking forward to that, but as of now, I haven't really got any such opportunity. I have done shoots, but not really any advertisement shoots. So maybe someday. Next question is, where are you from? Well, I am from Uttarakhand. I am a Kumamni, so yes, I belong from Uttarakhand. Next question. Any crush while on duty, not with celebrities? Yes, I do have, but I'm not gonna tell you about it. So I had a crush, but I'm not gonna tell you about it. Now, next question. How old are you? Well, I'm 21. When you went for the interview, did they criticize you because you haven't been to college? I haven't been to a regular college, but I do have a graduation degree, because I was completing my graduation side by side, and they didn't criticize me for that. Any which ways, for being a cabin crew, the minimum eligibility requirement is 10 plus 2, so I was eligible any which ways. What's your stream? What was your stream in 11th standard? I had this PCM, physics, chemistry, maths with computer science. I had non-medical. I'm not that padaku though. Next question. Didi, आपका education qualification? Well, I have done my graduation. I did my graduation in social work. So I'm done with my graduation. I'm a graduate. Next question. Your childhood idols versus your current idol. Well, honestly, back then I didn't really have any idol. I'll be brutally honest about it. I did not have any idol. And now, even now, I don't really have an idol, but I really admire Priyanka Chopra for the person she is. I really like her aura and the way she carries herself. So I won't really call her an idol, but I would say that she is someone that I really admire. Next question. If you had the chance to get back to one childhood memory, what would it be? Childhood memory. Okay. Well, there are many, I would say. I'm not really sure, but yeah, okay, fine. Okay, wait. So back then, when I was a kid, we used to celebrate Holi in such a dhamakedar manner, I would say. I mean, my chachu and all his friends used to gather, and we used to get up at 4 a.m. Dee and I used to get up at 4 a.m. and we used to, pani wale balloons hote na, wo फुलाते थे सुबह 4-5 बजे. And I mean, that atmosphere used to be so good. सारे सुबह 4 बजे उठ रहे हैं, balloons फुला रहे हैं, बाल्टी भर रहे हैं उनमें, आप colors add कर रहे हो, you are getting ready, the preparation is going on for Holi, to celebrate Holi. It used to be so good. And then चाचू के जब भी सारे friends जाते थे and मम्मा लोग भी सब ऊपर छत पे आते थे, it used to be so fun. वहाँ पे songs चलते थे full volume में, सब dance कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे को colors लगा रहे हैं, बहुत एकदम इतने हिलेरियस कलर्स होते थे ना वो, जब फेस में लगते थे. किसी के टीथ में ब्लैक कलर लग रखा है, देन रेड कलर, ग्रीन कलर, मतलब इवन हेयर में भी ऐसी कलर्स डालते थे. सो इट यूज टू बी सो फन. और हम लोग गुजिया भी बनाते थे, मम्मा, मैं और दीदी उठ के, मेरी कज़न सोना भी आके, हम लोग सब रात को 1-1, 2-2 बजे तक गुजिया बनाते थे पहले. सो that was so good. It's one of my best childhood memory that I would really like to go back to, but अब ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. So I feel bad about it, but yeah, that is that one childhood memory that I really want to go back to. Next question: if you had the chance to quit being a cabin crew for one day, which other profession would you choose? Okay, if I would have to choose some other profession, I would rather want to work for a corporate industry. I am really someone who likes that corporate environment around me, so I would go for that. And there's one more which is completely opposite to this one, which is this social worker. I'm someone who loves to do something about the society, and I have done my graduation also in social work. So I would really want to go for something wherein I can be, wherein I can be of some help, and I can, help out there. I could be of some help. So either a social service worker or someone in corporate field. So definitely, and I know these two are completely different, but yeah. Next question: vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Well, it's a bit confusing because I am a vegetarian, but I have had non-veg. I have had kebabs as well, and I used to have non-veg momos as well. But now I don't eat it. Even पहले मैं इतना नहीं खाती थी. It's just कि मुझे खिला दिया था तो मैंने खा लिया था. But now I cannot eat it. So I'm a vegetarian, but I have had non-veg as well. But I am a vegetarian. Next question: why you joined cabin crew? I don't really have. I mean, back then I didn't really have any particular reason to be a cabin crew. I just went with the flow. I got to know about cabin crew while I was in my school. Maybe I was in my 10th or 11th standard. I felt like, okay, it's good. Maybe I can give it a try. And any which ways, back then I wanted to, to go for a job wherein I would have to get ready, and I'd take my bag and I'd just go. I'll do my work and come back. Generally, the idea that I had at that time was I would, get up, get ready, and would go for a 9 to 5 job, and then I'll come back. But the job that I chose was something wherein there's no fixed schedule. So there's no reason behind it. I just went with the flow and ended up being a cabin crew. Next question: which college did you go to? Well, I had gone to IGNOU, Indira Gandhi International Open University. It's a distance learning university, so it wasn't a regular college. Next question: your favorite place to visit? Honestly, I don't really have any favorite place. I am a very confused person. I cannot just set it down at one thing. This being the reason I do not have any favorite. I have multiple destinations that I would love to go to and that I do visit quite often, but not a single favorite place. Next question: what makes you happy? Well, food makes me happy, and happy people, good people, and the people that I love around me. So, but mainly food. Next question: where are you from? I think you are Garhwali, right? Because you're Rawat. No, I'm not Garhwali. I'm Kumaoni. And quite many of you have asked this question. Guys, I am from Uttarakhand and I am a Kumaoni. I'm not Garhwali. Next question: which editing software do you use? I edit on my phone, so I use InShot video editing app. I don't really use any software as such. Have you ever regret on your decision of being cabin crew, and why? Honestly, no, I do not regret being a cabin crew. Yes, there were quite many things that I felt like, why am I even doing this job and why am I even here? There were so many things, but I never regretted it, because if there were things that I felt bad about, or when there were situations which I didn't really like, even then there have been times when I loved being a cabin crew. Advantages that I've got from becoming a crew, I admire them. I am in awe of them. I can never regret being a cabin crew. So even after having bad days, bad situations because of the job, I loved being a cabin crew and I never regretted it. Alright you guys, so that's it for the video. The questions were not really that interesting, I have to say, and I have a complaint about this. I mean, guys gave me some interesting questions, no? So next time I will again do a Q&A round, and you guys have to make sure that you give me some exciting questions so that our video would end up being exciting, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, and I hope I have answered all your questions. Bye guys, take care.
You know.